Good morning, dear student. Today in accountancy class we will learn about drawings. So let's see. Amount or goods withdrawn by the proprietor for his personal, domestic or household purpose is called drawings. Following transactions will be treated as drawings. Amount withdrawn for personal use, goods taken from the business for personal use, income tax paid, life insurance premium paid and rent of proprietor's residence paid. So in all these transactions, entry for drawing will come. So let's see what journal entry will come. Students, as you know, drawing are one of the expense. So rule regarding nominal account will be implemented. That is, all expenses must be debited. So drawings account will be debited. And if we are withdrawing cash, so cash account will be credited. And if we are withdrawing money from bank, so bank account will be credited. And if we are taking goods from the business, so purchase account will be credited. And a very simple narration will come, that is amount or goods withdrawn by the proprietor for his personal use. So please learn this journal entries, that is drawings account debit to cash or bank or purchases. Thank you very much. Hello dear students. Today in journal we will learn treatment of charity and free samples. See, charity is also known as donation and it is one of the expense of the firm. If transaction will come like this, that is charity given rupees 501, so charity will be treated as expense. So rule regarding nominal account will be implemented, and that is charity account will be debited because charity is one of the expense. And if we are paying cash, so cash will be credited because in this case cash will goes out. And if we are giving check, so in that case bank account will be credited. And very simple narration will come, being charity paid, rupees 501 will come in debit column, 501 will come in credit column. If in second case you can see goods worth rupees 5000 were given away as charity, so in this case also charity will be treated as one of the expense and charity account will be debited because of expense, but in place of cash or bank, this time we will credit purchase. So purchases account will be credited because in this case our goods will reduce. So 5000 rupees will come in debit column and 5000 rupees will come in credit column. Same way, now come to next transaction, that is free sample, also known as advertisement. Goods worth rupees 25,000 were distributed as free sample. So as you know that advertisement is also one of the expense. So rule regarding nominal account will be implemented, that is all expenses must be debited. So advertisement account will be debited, and this time you can see again we are giving goods. So in this case again purchases account will be credited because our purchase will reduce. So we will credit purchases account. A very simple narration will come, that is goods distributed as free sample. Thank you very much. Hello students, today we will learn few more transactions related with journal. See, first one is loss of goods by theft or fire. This is one of the abnormal loss and rule regarding nominal account will be implemented. So see, transaction is goods worth rupees 1 lakh were destroyed by fire. So loss of goods by fire account will be debited because this is also one of the loss and all losses and expenses must be debited. And in this case also we will reduce purchases to purchases account, and a very simple narration will come, that is goods lost by fire. Amount will come rupees 1 lakh in debit column as well as 1 lakh in credit column. After this you see, if goods are insured, So in that case, there may be two possibilities. Insurance company may admit full claim, and sometimes insurance company may admit partial claim. So if insurance company will admit full claim, see what journal entries will come. First of all, we will transfer loss of goods to insurance company, and in that case our first entry will be insurance company account debit to loss by fire account rupees 1 lakh. And we are getting 100% claim from insurance company. In that case, one more entry will come, that is bank account debit, because in that case amount will be transferred to our bank account and bank balance will increase. So bank account debit to insurance company. Insurance company rupees 1 lakh. Okay, like this we will do. Students, as you know, we are learning treatment of abnormal loss, that is loss of goods by theft or fire, and already we have learned when insurance company admitted full claim. Now we will learn when insurance company will admit partial claim. See, in this condition also, first of all we will transfer entire loss to insurance company, and our first entry will be insurance company account debit to loss by fire account. We will transfer 1 lakh rupees, and if we are receiving 60% claim, so in that case entry will be bank account debit. Whatever claim we are receiving 60% of amount, so that will be 60,000, and 40% will be treated as our actual loss, and this loss will be transferred to profit and loss account. So profit and loss account will be debited by 40,000, and we will credit insurance company account, that is 1 lakh. So always remember, in case of loss of goods by theft or fire and goods are insured, so there will be two possibilities. Sometimes insurance company will admit full claim, and sometimes insurance company will admit partial claim. If insurance company will admit partial claim, then these two entries will come. Unrecovered amount from insurance company will be transferred to profit and loss account. Thank you.